Okay, so I've got the 850T robot vacuum and I'm just going to be connecting it to the Proscenic Smart Home app. This should give us some control over it. Now, it does come with the bundled remote control as well, which I found really convenient. But for those of you that do want to use the app and have the extras that come with it, then this guide is going to be for you. So the first thing I'm going to do on the app itself, by the way, you will need to set up a free account with Proscenic in order to access this. But once you've done that, I'm going to select Add Device. Now, it's going to search for Bluetooth devices, and you can go that way. You can put this into Bluetooth pairing mode, but I'm going to show you how to do this manually. And for that, we're going to head down to Cleaning Appliances and look for the 850T. There it is. So if we just go ahead and click that. Now, it prompts us to make sure that the power button is turned on the underside of the robot. It is in my case already. So the home button here, I'm going to hold that down for 5 seconds. That will enter the networking pairing mode. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, we get a bit of a bleep there once that is done. And I can see the network Wi-Fi LED is flashing or blinking. So it should be in pairing mode at this point. So let's select ready to go on the app and start network connection. Okay, so that's an important note. If your Wi-Fi connection is 5 gigahertz, then it's not going to work in this case. So you will need to set up a 2.4 gigahertz connection in order to use this. So I'm going to type in the Wi-Fi password and then we will select next.
Please refer to the schematic diagram to select the Wi-Fi, starting with Proscenic in the mobile phone Wi-Fi list.
So we're going to head over then to the settings. I'm doing this on my iPhone, but I assume you can do this on Android as well. And I can see the Proscenic network there, so let's go ahead and select that. This is just so we can connect this to the Wi-Fi, okay? We don't have to do this every time we want to use the app. Now that it is connected, you may get a warning on your phone saying there's no internet. You can just ignore that.
Please wait.
Now, once I've opened the app up again, it's automatically switched into connection mode. So the robot is now going to be connected to the main Wi-Fi network of our home. Okay, let's select complete. And it looks like we are done, in fact. So straight away, I can see we have a whole bunch of information here, including the battery percentage. This has been on charge, so we are at 99%. It gives us some other information as well, such as how long the robot has been running for. In our case, it hasn't come off charge since I've connected the app, so it's still on 0 minutes. And how much area has actually been covered, still 0 meters squared. So I have been using this vacuum, but this is the first time using it with the app. So what I'm going to do then, let's just give this a go, shall we? We'll tap the auto button here, and yep, it's off. And it looks like it's going to be mapping the area, which is actually something that I'm really interested in seeing. And I can indeed see on the app how the robot is drawing the floor as it goes here and adding the area onto the screen so I can see exactly where it has been, which, yeah, I think is really good. So obviously, a couple of features here that are not available with just the remote control. So folks, hopefully this has helped you to set the app up with your Proscenic 850T. I'm going to have a play about with this now. Thanks for watching.